In this video, you're gonna learn how to make Japanese rice. Rule of thumb: for every cup of rice, you add a cup of water. Today I'm making 2 cups of rice, so I'm gonna add 2 cups of water later, and we'll also learn how to season it for sushi. So now that I've added 2 cups of rice in my rice cooker, I'm gonna add 2 cups of filtered water. What's important is to let it sit for at least an hour before you start cooking. I'm using no wash rice today, and that's why I'm not washing it. So now I'm just going to put it in here for whatever the rice setting is on yours. So it's always good to fluff up the rice once it's done cooking. Let's take a closer look. To make sushi rice, you make the rice first. So here I am just fluffing up my rice after it's been cooked. And here, the 2 most important ingredients for sushi rice. Here's a darker vinegar and also salt with MSG because it's gonna be delicious. So for the vinegar, I'm gonna do it by feel. I think about 2 tablespoons for that amount of rice. That's 2 cups of rice. Of course, I'll adjust it as I go along. Really up to your own personal taste. I like mine a little bit more tart and salty so that I can take whatever I'm going to make next with it. I'm just going to pour the vinegar into the rice. Alright, I'm just going to do this. Spread it out, let the rice absorb it. So the rice is still a bit warm at this moment. This is a good temperature. It's going to help the rice, absorb all that vinegar. And while this is absorbing, I'm going to add some salt with MSG. Of course, again, by taste, whatever you prefer, mix it. The reason I prefer to use a darker vinegar is because it's a bit more smoky. I am pairing this with some really fatty tuna today. And so, I'm using a darker vinegar. We're almost there. And of course, important to always taste. And we'll see if we need to make adjustments to the rice. It's perfect. Good texture.